In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix no sound on YouTube, Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I have a couple of fixes to fix no sound on YouTube. First method is really easy. For that, click on the speaker icon which is in taskbar and then make sure that it is not mute. To unmute it, tap on the speaker and then your sound will be unmuted. You can increase the level by dragging this bar to the right side. For the second method, type on your search bar sndvol.exe. Once you type it, then this option will appear on your search bar. Tap on it and then this window will open on your desktop. Make sure that your Google Chrome is not mute. If it is mute, then tap on the speaker icon to unmute it and increase the levels as well. For the third method, open Google Chrome in your computer. Sometimes your Google Chrome is muted, so for that, right click on your tab and then tap on unmute site and then your site will be unmuted and you will be able to hear sound from YouTube. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.